President Trump has taken decisive actions to overhaul U.S. immigration policies, declaring a national emergency at the border and deploying military units to secure it. He ended the catch-and-release policy, which previously allowed illegal aliens to enter communities post-apprehension, and reinstated the Remain in Mexico policy. By increasing deportation flights for criminal illegal aliens, these measures have resulted in a notable decline in border crossings and a rise in arrests of criminal immigrants. Additionally, Trump has cut off taxpayer-funded benefits for illegal aliens and shut down programs like the CBP One app, which had facilitated the entry of over 1 million illegal immigrants into the country.